his knees. And, you know, it's one of the interesting things going into an Olympic year where these guys, they want it bad, you know, especially the first time they want to be in that show, and they're willing to ski through a lot of situations where they might, you know, take a year off and get those things healed up. And we saw Russ Henshaw hit the